First one.
Inner core.
Second one.
Outer core. Very good. Mantle. And
Finally,
crust. And what do you know about the inner core?
It's very hot.
It is very hot. It is solid.
And it's made up of metal.
It is made of metals. Do you remember the metals? Iron and nickel. Very good. And what do you know about the outer core?
The outer core is the same as the core.
It's the same as the inner core?
No.
What's the difference?
It's not made up of metal.
No, it is made of metal, but it is... No.
Moving.
It is moving. Why? Why is it moving?
Because I don't know.
Because it is...
Liquid.
Because it is liquid. Very good. And what about the mantle?
The mantle is made up of rocks.
It's made of rocks. It is divided into 2 layers.
The lower layer and upper layer.
Very good. And what about the crust?
The crust is the thinner layer.
It is the thinner layer. And what do you know about volcanoes?
Volcanoes are mountains.
Are mountains, and what happens when they explode?
The magma goes up and lava.
Goes out from where?
From the volcano.
From the volcano? From the?
From deep in the air.
From very deep in the air, but from what layer?
From the mantle.
From the mantle. Very good. And what does it come out?
Lava.
Rocks, lava,
Gas.
gases,
Dust.
dust, okay, and? Yes, in English? Ashes, and a cloud of ashes. Do you want to do your volcano?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let me see you. Okay, what is the first layer we are going to put? The first one, the inner core. Charlie, can you put the inner core, please?
Charlie.
wait, Alberto.
Okay.